Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Monday.com, full guide step by step clearly. To invest using Monday.com, start by creating an account on their website. Once you've signed up, log into your account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the new board option to create a new workspace for your investment activities. Choose a template that suits your investment needs. You can select from options like financial tracking or project management boards. After choosing a template, customize it to reflect your investment criteria. Add columns for important data such as investment type, amount, date, and status. Next, input your existing investments to get a clear overview. To add a new investment, click on the New Item button. Fill in the details of the investment in the designated columns. Use color codes to categorize investments for better visualization. Set up automations to streamline notifications for investment updates. Utilize the dashboard to create graphs and charts that visualize your portfolio performance. Monitor your progress by regularly updating the statuses of each investment. Encourage team collaboration by sharing the board with stakeholders or advisors. Leverage Monday.com's integrations to connect with financial tools and services you already use. Regularly review your investment strategies in the board meetings you can schedule in Monday.com. Adjust your board as your investment strategy evolves to ensure it remains relevant. Finally, keep your data secure by utilizing Monday.com's privacy settings and user permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.